Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. In for today's video we were going to unbox and initialize this new Epson EcoTank L3310 printer. And without further ado, let's get started. Out of the box we have here the user's manual. Then the printer unit. And we have also here the printer's USB cable and power cord. And a set of 003 ink for this Epson EcoTank L3310 printer. Then just remove the plastic tapes before we proceed filling the ink. Then, after all plastic tapes are removed, we may now start filling ink on its ink tank. Then plug in the power cord. Then press the power button to turn on the printer. Then wait until ink indicator lit. Then, when ink indicator lit, just press and hold the stop button for 5 seconds to start Ink Initialize. Then, the power LED indicator and ink indicator will flash alternately. Ink Initialize will take some time, so just wait on it until its power indicator LED becomes stable or steady. Then, load an A4 size of paper on its paper tray to test or check the nozzle check print quality after an initialize is completed. Then, when power lead becomes stable or steady, it indicates that Ink Initialize is done and completed. So the next step is we have to run a nozzle check print quality. So to run a nozzle check print quality, we will just turn off the printer first. Then, press and hold the power button and stop button for 5 seconds to start printing the nozzle check print quality pattern. And here's the nozzle check printout quality. And that's how simple it is to ink initialize of this new Epson EcoTank L3310 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.